Crafting the web. An introduction to web development. Imagine a world without websites. No online shopping, no social media, no easy access to information, unimaginable, right? This is where web development comes in. Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites. It's like building a house, but instead of bricks and mortar we use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Web developers are the architects and builders of the online world responsible for everything you see and interact with on the internet. Web development plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It allows businesses to reach customers globally, connects people across continents, and provides access to a wealth of information at our fingertips. From online banking to streaming services, web development underpins countless aspects of the modern world. The field of web development is vast and constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging all the time. However, the fundamental principles remain the same: to create engaging and user-friendly websites that meet the needs of users. As we delve deeper into the world of web development, we'll explore the core languages and concepts that form the foundation of this exciting field. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding experience, understanding the basics of web development opens up a world of creative possibilities. HTML, the foundation of websites. Every website you visit is built on a foundation of HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It provides the basic structure and content, telling the browser what to display on the page. HTML uses a system of tags to define different elements of a web page. Each tag has an opening and closing tag with content in between. For example, the tag indicates a heading, while the tag represents a paragraph of text. Here's a simple example of HTML code. HTML, this code creates a basic web page with a title, a heading, and a paragraph of text. The browser interprets these tags and displays the content accordingly. HTML provides a wide range of tags for various purposes such as creating links, images, tables, and more. As you learn more HTML tags, you'll be able to create increasingly complex and sophisticated web pages. CSS, adding style and design. While HTML provides the structure of a web page, CSS is used to style its appearance. CSS, or cascading style sheets, lets you control the colors, fonts, layout, and overall visual presentation of your website. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them. You can either write CSS rules directly in your HTML file, or create separate CSS files and link them to your HTML. Here's an example of how CSS can be used to style the HTML code from the previous section. CSS body, font family Arial sans serif, background color #F2 F2 F2, H1, color blue, text align center. This CSS code sets the font, background color, heading color, and text alignment for our web page. By applying these styles, we transform the plain HTML structure into a more visually appealing design. CSS offers a vast array of properties and values, allowing you to customize every aspect of your website's appearance. With CSS, you can create stunning visual effects, responsive layouts, and unique designs that reflect your personal style or brand identity. JavaScript bringing websites to life. HTML provides the structure, CSS adds the style, and JavaScript brings interactivity and dynamic functionality to websites. JavaScript is a scripting language that allows you to create engaging user experiences. With JavaScript, you can create animations, handle user input, validate forms, and even build complex web applications. It interacts with the HTML and CSS of a web page, manipulating elements and responding to user actions. Here's a simple example of how JavaScript can be used to create an alert message when a button is clicked. HTML clicked. In this example, the JavaScript code is executed when the button is clicked, displaying an alert message to the user. JavaScript is a powerful and versatile language that opens up endless possibilities for web development. From simple interactions to complex web applications, JavaScript is an essential tool for creating dynamic and engaging online experiences. Section 5. Responsive design, adapting to all devices. In today's mobile-first world, it's crucial that websites look and function flawlessly on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. This is where responsive design comes in. Responsive design ensures that websites adapt to different screen sizes and orientations, providing an optimal viewing experience for all users. CSS plays a vital role in responsive design, allowing you to create flexible layouts that adjust to different viewport sizes. Using media queries, you can apply different CSS rules based on the screen size, ensuring your website looks its best on any device. Here's an example of a CSS media query that applies different font sizes for mobile and desktop screens. At media, max width 768px, body, font size 16px, at media, min width 769px, body, font size 18px. This code sets the font size to 16 pixels for screens smaller than 768 pixels, typical for mobile devices, and 18 pixels for larger screens. By embracing responsive design principles, you ensure that your websites are accessible and enjoyable for all users, regardless of their device. Section 6. Embarking on your web development journey. Tips for beginners. Starting your web development journey can feel daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Here are some practical tips for beginners. Start with the basics. Focus on understanding the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript before diving into advanced concepts. Practice consistently. The key to mastering web development is regular practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to work on coding projects. Break down complex tasks. Don't be afraid to tackle complex projects, but break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Don't be afraid to ask for help. The web development community is vast and welcoming. Don't hesitate to seek help from online forums, communities, or experienced developers. Celebrate your progress. Web development is a continuous learning process. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way to stay motivated. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is to enjoy the learning process. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your web development goals. Section 7. Resources for aspiring web developers. The internet is a treasure trove of resources for learning web development. Here are some valuable resources to get you started. Online courses. Platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Khan Academy offer interactive coding courses for all levels. Interactive tutorials. Websites like W3 Schools and Mozilla Developer Network provide comprehensive tutorials and documentation on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Web development blogs. Stay updated on the latest trends and best practices by following blogs like CSS Tricks, Smashing Magazine, and A List Apart. Online communities. Join online communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit's web development subreddits to connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and share knowledge. Books. There are countless excellent books available on web development, covering everything from the basics to advanced concepts. Explore these resources and find what works best for your learning style. Remember, the best resource is the one that keeps you engaged and motivated to learn. Section 8. The power of practice and experimentation. As you delve deeper into web development, remember that practice and experimentation are crucial for growth. Don't be afraid to try new things, break code, and learn from your mistakes. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how different concepts work together. Start by building small projects, such as a personal website or a simple web application. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the complexity of your projects. Challenge yourself to learn new technologies and implement advanced features. Remember, web development is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to go back to your code, refactor, and improve upon your previous work. The journey of a web developer is one of continuous learning and improvement. Section 9. Conclusion. The exciting world of web development. Web development is an exciting and ever-evolving field that offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. By mastering the core languages of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you have the power to bring your ideas to life and shape the digital landscape. As you embark on your web development journey, remember to be patient, persistent, and embrace the learning process. The web development community is vast and welcoming, always ready to support and encourage newcomers. So, dive in, explore the world of web development, and unleash your creativity. The digital world awaits your unique perspective and innovative ideas.